Hello friends, Ndewo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Edna. You're welcome to the Igbo teacher. On this channel, talk all things Igbo language. So if learning Igbo is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified each time I publish new videos. In today's video, we will learn words that begins with A. Mkpuru okwu bidoro na mkpuru edemede A. We will learn words that begins with A. Ngwa ka ebido. Aka. Aka is hand. Hand. Azeza. Azeza. Broom. Anya. Anya. Apwa. Apwa is clothes. My clothes. Apwa. Clothes. Apwa. Azu. Azu is fish. Azu. Fish. Aqua. 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 Egg. Aqua. Aqua. Aqua is to cry. Cry. Achicha. 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 Achicha is bread. Achicha. Bread. Akpu. Akpu. Fufu. Fufu. You know Igbo native fufu. After eating it, you gather enough energy. Akpu. Fufu. Akpu. Fufu. Azu. Azu is back. Azu. You are back. Akara. Akara. Akara is bean cake. Akara. Ada. Ada. First daughter. Ada. Akoko. Akoko is your side. My side. By my side. By my side. By your side. Your side. Or a side of any object. It could be a side of a table. Maybe something that is by the side of a table. Akoko. Side. Akoko. Side. Akara. Akara is mark. Akara. Mark. Akara. Mark. Aqua. Aqua. Aqua is bed. Bed. Ago. Ago. Ago is tiger or leopard. Ago. Tiger or leopard. We have come to the end of today's learning. Till I come your way again. Stay blessed. Ndewo. Bye.